This experiment is to compare the internal resistance of two different wires, and the two wires we are going to be using is Constantan wire and Nichrome wire. You can see the two wires. Look at this thing on one. Okay, so the experiment is being set up this way. We have the standard resistor, then we have where the loop is, the Constantan wire, connected to the meter bridge in the middle, and then we have the rheostat, the switch, and then we have the battery. Okay, so the positive side of the battery is going to be connected to the left hand of the meter bridge, while the negative will be connected to the right hand of the meter bridge. So we'll use the diagram to do this connection. You can see we have the resistor, the standard resistor is connected in the first gap. Okay, then the loop, which is the Constantan wire, is connected in the second gap on the meter bridge. All right, and then we have the other side of the meter bridge, which is this, connected to the rheostat. You can see the connection on the rheostat is connected. Then from the rheostat, if you look at the diagram, from the rheostat we have the switch. This is the switch. From the switch, it is connected to what? The battery. The experiment is done this way. You are expected to measure the wire, Constantan wire. This is the connection. It has already been measured with the help of a meter. This is 100, and then we'll connect it. And then we use the jockey. This is what we call jockey, and make a touch on the meter bridge. While doing this experiment, you ensure you don't scratch the meter bridge. You just make a contact on the meter bridge, looking at the zero-centered galvanometer. Let's see what we have. If you look at it, you move it in such a way that the pointer is on zero. When you have the pointer on zero, then you can take your reading. Okay, look at it, it's on zero now. So we take the reading of this, the left part, and then we take the reading on the right side. So looking at the contacts I have my jockey on 8.5. So it means that the contacts, the contacts on LX, that's from this point to this point, is 8.5. 8.5. Let me add 0. 8.5. So automatically I can get this side. What I need to do is just say 100 minus 8.5. 100 minus 8.5 will give us what? 8.5 is what? 100 minus 8.5. Sorry? 91.5. 91.5. Let's add 0. Okay, so we go to the last one to save time. The last one is going to be, yes ma'am. The last one is going to be 60. Please give me meter rule. 60. We go to the last one. So we understand what the trend is going to be. Quickly, please. Meter rule. We measure 60 using the meter rule. This is my 60. Let me bend it so that it will be easy for me. Bend it. You make your contact there. Principal side. Okay, so we have connected, we have measured 60 now. It's time for us to make contact with the jockey on the meter bridge. So we'll make the contact until we have the pointer on 0 again. So we keep moving it. Please ensure that you're not scratching on the meter bridge. So you can see the center galvanometer is on 0 now. We take our reading now. It's on 18.3. So we have the last one to be 18.30. So 100 minus 18.3 will give give us the value for this?
Yeah.
What is it, please? Sorry? 81.7. So we have 81.70. So if you look at this reading for the first wire, which is the Constantan wire, you will see that it is increasing on this side, that's the left side, while on the right side it is what? Decreasing. Is that okay? So we'll compare it to the next wire, which is the Nichrome wire. We'll remove this one and then replace it with the Nichrome wire. This is another wire. The Nichrome. No, don't start yet. Let's start. So this is the another wire, Nichrome wire. It's not as thick as the Constantan wire. We'll put it here and connect it again. Oh God. We'll measure 100. Here, so at this point you bend it and then you connect it here. You connect it. We're repeating the same thing. So this is for 100. We'll make the contact on the meter bridge again. Okay. Okay. Until we get to that, the pointer is on the center zero, it's on the zero on the galvanometer. Then we can take reading. Good. So we have, my first reading is 94.4. 94.4, my LX2. 94.2. Add 0. So 100 minus 94.2 will give me what? 100 minus 94.2. 5.8. We have 5.80. So without much ado, we'll go to the last reading, which is what? 60. We reduce the length of the Nichrome wire, which is of different diameter, if compared to the Constantan wire. So we'll do 60 now. 60. 60. 60. This is 60. Okay. Connect it to 60. Yeah. Okay. So we'll do the same thing again. Okay. We have 93.5. 93.50. Subtract, please.
6.50.
So we have 6.50. So if you look at the reading, for LX1, you see that the values are supposed to be increasing, while that of L1 is decreasing. Then looking at the other diameter, which is the Nichrome wire, it is what? Decreasing, while the LY is what? Increasing. Thank you.